What's up, Flyers?
I'm Sanders Graf.
And I'm Mary Houston Mull, bringing y'all the rundown for the week of November 11th from the Style Show.
It's finally here, the day all our seniors have been waiting to boogie down the runway.
Loyola's 69th annual Style Show's theme is the 80s.
In this week's rundown, we'll be showing 3 different points of views that our media arts crew have put together.
First, here's Mary Elberson to give us a front row view of how it all looked on stage.
Hey Flyers, welcome to this year's Style Show. I'm here to give you a front row view of what it's like on stage.
It was a blast. I had a lot of fun dancing with all my friends, and we practiced for a while and we killed it out there.
It was so much fun, and I was really scared at first, but once we got out there it wasn't bad, and all of our hard work paid off.
Our 80s themed Style Show was a success and everyone had so much fun. Style Show was kicked off with a senior walk and followed by fun choreographed dances. It was a totally rad show, and we would like to thank everyone who worked so hard on it. Hope y'all enjoyed this inside scoop here at Style Show. This has been Mary Elberson.
That was gnarly. Hey Mary Houston, didn't you think everything looked so great on stage?
Sure did, but I bet we're all wondering what goes on backstage.
Karen and Carter has the answer to that in this behind-the-scenes report.
Hey Flyers, I'm here backstage to give you an inside look as our seniors prepare to walk out in their different outfits.
Hey guys, we've been practicing really hard for our show backstage and with our outfits, and I'm excited for y'all to see it.
I just got done walking off the stage, and I think I did pretty well, but I changed into my outfit from Jack, and I got my hair done by Chemistry.
So we just did our senior walk. Now we had to come backstage and get dressed. I'm from Lee and Chalk, and he's from Dillard's. We had to get ready fast because we're the second group on stage. Yeah.
So I just got done back with our senior walk, and I am about to get ready for our senior dance. And my outfit is from Paper Tulip, and I'm so excited, and I'm ready to show all the parents what we've got for them. And our songs are really great.
We got our clothes from John Pickens, and they had a great selection there, and they were really helpful. And our choreographer was nice too, and she gave us a good dance.
Yeah, the backstage energy was great. John Pickens helped us out really well, and we got the clothes we wanted, and today's just gonna be a great show.
That's all for the backstage report. Back to y'all.
Thanks, Carrington. Now that we know what goes on both in front and behind the scenes, I'm curious what it's like to be a part of it.
Well, lucky for you, Taylor Nash gives us this special report.
Hi everyone, it's Taylor Nash, and it's Style Show Day, the day all seniors have been waiting for. Come with me as I show you the behind the scenes of what it's like to be a senior in Style Show. Alright, I just signed in for Style Show, and it's official. Hey everyone, it's the morning of Style Show, and we're all getting prettied up. I'm about to get my hair and makeup done after Abby, so I'll catch you guys later. I'm about to practice my dance with my group, and then it's going to be time to do the senior walk, so yeah. I'm here with Natalie Brewer. We're backstage for the senior walk. It's getting real. I'm kind of nervous, but
yeah, we're excited. We're ready to do our senior walk and then go on and do our dances.
This is gonna be awesome.
So wicked and so rad.
Tubular. Go into the LCP.
Julie and I are about to go on stage and do our dance.
And we're super excited to perform and have fun.
Style Show is coming to an end, but first we have to do our finale dance, which is everyone in the whole grade, and I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. Thank you guys for coming along with me during Style Show. I had a great time, and thank you to my camera person, Sarah Ellis, for filming me throughout the entire day.
The Style Show may be over, but there's still more going on this week at Loyola.
Maggie Gouge catches us up for the sports report for this week.
As we transition into winter sports here at Loyola, football and swim are coming to an end, while soccer and basketball are just beginning.
The Loyola Lady Flyer soccer team is starting their season off strong with a scrimmage on Thursday, followed by 5 games in the coming week. The Flyer Invitational is next week, where many teams are traveling to Mesmer to play in the tournament. We wish them luck as they kickstart their season.
We have our first scrimmage this week, and we're super excited to play and get the season started. We play Shreve, and so we're really excited to have a great competitive match where we can work on our plays and grow as a team.
Our basketball team is entering into their season as well. Both the girls and the boys have been practicing to prepare for their games in the coming weeks. With jamborees approaching, the Flyers are jumping right into their season, and we're so excited for what they have in store.
All right, I'm really excited for basketball season to start. Our jamboree is this Saturday. We have our first game Tuesday. Been working really hard since August. I'm really excited.
Swim is coming to an end as the Flyers are competing for state next Wednesday and Thursday. The boys have qualified for the 200 free and the 200 medley relays. Gus Nicolosi leads the team as he will compete in both the 100 fly and 50 free. We are so proud of all the work they have put into the season and know they will finish strong.
So we have state coming up next week on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday will be prelims, Thursday is finals. And as of now, I'm seeded first in both my races, so I'm hoping for finals I can take home the dub.
With a tough game against Calvary last Friday, the Flyer football team is feeling prepared going into the playoff season. With their game this Friday against St. Thomas Aquinas at Mesmer, we know all of their dedication throughout the season will pay off.
We've talked all year that, the first 9 games are just getting ready for the real season, and that's where we are. You want to keep getting better and better to get to this point, and I feel like we've had. We know what we need to work on, what we needed to get better at, and I'm excited. I'm excited for our chances the next few weeks.
I'm super pumped coming into this Friday, first playoff game. We're going to crush it. We're looking to bounce back from last week, but we had a great season. We started slow and then we picked it up, and that's what you can expect from a team like us. We're always going to fight back.
A little bit nervous, but if you ain't nervous, you're stupid.
I'm really excited for the playoffs. We've been playing really well all season. Practice has been going super well, and I'm excited to see how far we go.
We're so proud of our athletics here at Loyola. This has been Maggie Gooch.
Loyola sure has been busy this week.
Don't forget to come support your Flyers Friday night at Mesmer for their first playoff game.
That's all for this week's rundown. See y'all next year at our style show. Peace.